Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 5-star hotel.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay.
Its review rating is 9.1, which is a superb.
Room category, well, you can see on the screen details like size, type, room name, facilities, amenities, etc.
Category 2. Room
Category 4. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, 4 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay.
Pets are not allowed in this hotel.
The location of the hotel is good and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
Checking time of this hotel is 1 p.m. and the checkout time is 12 p.m.
Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description.
If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, below the link in description. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.